welcome to today's video. So for today's video, on the second to last video for the beauty of Christmas, we're going to be doing like a full face of new makeup. So all of the makeup that I'm going to be using today I got for Christmas and my birthday. So if you want to see the entire series, you can find it in the description and up in the cards. So if you want to see this look, then keep on watching. With my damp beauty blender, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Plus a Light Ageless Foundation. But first, I'm actually going to go in and do my concealing. Okay, so I concealed really quick off camera, and I'm going to do my foundation. Okay, first I'm going to set the foundation underneath my eyes. I mean the concealer underneath my eyes, yeah. I'm going to go in and do my blush. Now this is the L'Oreal Invisible Lift blush in the color Peach Gold Lift. I'm just going to take my Sonia Kashuk blush brush and apply it. Now I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color Sunlight. And I'm going to take my old-fashioned fluffy brush to apply it. Get some of the excess off. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Bare Minerals Gen Nude eye primer, and it's the color Undressed. And I already set my foundation with my translucent powder, and I did my eyebrows off camera. So now we're just going to prime my eyes. Okay, for the palette that we're going to use today, we're going to use this one. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. I'm super excited because this is actually the first time I use this palette. So when I'm doing this eye, I'll tell you guys my review of this palette. And yeah. So the first thing that I'm going to do, where is that brush? Right. I'm going to take this brush from Echo Tools. So this is a large shadow brush. Now I'm going to actually take out the brush that comes with it. I'm going to first use this color called Tempera. And I'm going to put that all over the lid. Stick, which is this taupey brown color. And I'm going to take this brush from, I think this is an Ulta brush. Yeah. This is a large shadow brush. And I'm going to put Rustic right in the crease. And in the outer V as well. And I'm going to take this small brush from Echo Tools. This is a brush, or a name that ripped off, so I don't know. And then I'm going to take this color called Bronze. I'm going to put that on the eyelid. That took me a long time, so I just put on my Moxel Ash Essential Kit Volume 1 magnetic lashes. So I think what's left to do is lip gloss. I need to find my thing. So I found one. I don't have a lip primer right now, but I like to use a lip balm instead. So I'm just going to use an EOS lip balm for it. Then I'm going to use my Hand Diane lip gloss in the color in number 5. And now I'm gonna spray my DIY finishing spray. So that is pretty much the entire makeup look of all of my new makeup that I got. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!